We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the CALDEVER Thumbs-Up Phone Stand, a creatively designed phone holder that combines functionality with a novelty factor. This product stands out due to its unique thumb-up design, which symbolizes encouragement and approval, making it a thoughtful gift for a wide range of people, including mothers, wives, teens, grandparents, and more. The stand is designed to be both practical and fun, serving as a reliable phone holder while adding a touch of personality to any desk or space. The standout feature of this phone stand is its upgraded 360-degree flexible universal head. This allows users to rotate their phones horizontally or vertically and adjust the tilt angle by moving the thumbs up or down. This flexibility accommodates most phones and tablets, even with cases on, and helps users find the best viewing angle for video calls, watching movies, gaming, online classes, or following recipes. The design is thickened and widened compared to typical stands, which adds to its stability and versatility. Users have noted that the stand holds phones securely without stretching or slipping thanks to its strong anti-slip grip. The material quality is upgraded for durability, providing a stable base that prevents phones from falling or scratching. The lifelike finger-holding design adds a unique touch, making the stand feel more personal and engaging. Another practical feature is the hole at the back of the stand, which allows charging cables to pass through easily, solving a common problem with many phone holders. The compact and portable size makes it easy to carry around or place in various locations such as desks, kitchens, cafes, dorms, or even planes. Many users appreciate how lightweight and versatile the stand is, making it a perfect companion for both indoor and outdoor use. The product is especially popular as a gift. Many customers have purchased it as stocking stuffers or novelty gifts for family members and friends, praising its uniqueness and usefulness. Some have bought multi-packs to share with loved ones, highlighting the product's appeal across different age groups and lifestyles. The stand's ability to hold phones at multiple angles and orientations makes it a practical tool for everyday tasks, whether it's for watching videos, video chatting, or simply keeping the phone upright for easy access. While most reviews are positive, noting the sturdy quality and thoughtful design, a few users mentioned that the build quality could be improved slightly, describing it as cute but not very robust. However, the majority agree that the product offers good value for its price, especially considering its unique design and functionality. The CALDEVER Thumbs-Up phone stand is easy to use and fits most cell phones and tablets. Its adjustable angles contribute to a more efficient and comfortable user experience, helping users maintain a positive attitude while working or relaxing. The company also provides good after-sales support, which adds confidence for buyers. Overall, this phone stand is a clever and practical gadget that combines a fun design with everyday utility. It is highly recommended for anyone looking for a reliable phone holder that is both functional and visually appealing. Whether you want a handy desk accessory or a unique gift, this product meets those needs well. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.